Here we are back again at Luffenham level crossing in Rutland with AB trains. That alarm's quite rusty. This crossing's also got new skirts as well, because last time I came here in 21, they too were quite rusty. SBX rail systems as well. Right. Time is 11:12 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025, and this is for your 11:13. Yes, your 11:13, 1 November 49 cross-country service from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street, and it's about 4 or so minutes away, but we might be staying for our slightly early 11:23 4 Lima 05 GBRF service from Ditton O'Connor to Felixstowe North. But seeing as it's about 4 minutes after the cross-country, it might go up. Here it is. We have 170, 397. 170, 397 to Birmingham New Street, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.